Okay everyone, today we are going to learn that how to prevent your iPhone from being tracked. So there are some options which we have to turn off in order to prevent your sensitive information and make them safe. First of all, we have to go to the settings and we have to scroll down, and there is an option as you can see, privacy and security. You have to just simply click it, and first of all you have to open this option, tracking. So it basically grants permission that these mentioned apps can track you, at what you are doing. So we have to just simply turn it off. It will not misfunction your rest of the apps, so be easy. So we have to just simply click it and turn it off, and we have just go back, and we also can check our location services. So check it out. There are some permission that I have given to these respective apps, as I have given permission to this Black Magic camera that it can use my location while I'm using it, and secondly I have given permission to the Snapchat. So you have a choice to make that which app you want to allow that can trace your location. It's up to you. So simply go backwards and scroll down, and here we will check analytics and improvement. You have to simply click it, and there are some options. They're not necessary at all, so they must be turned off. It will simply grant, if you will just grant permission to it, so it will enable the sources to trace your information. So it must be turned off. It's better to maintain the privacy. And the last one is the advertising. So it must be turned off because it shows personalized ads that are not necessary. So you should turn it off. And for more such videos, such informative videos, get in touch, like and subscribe my channel. So make some support, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you everybody.